Thank you for choosing Red Rover. Welcome. My name is Jason, and I hope you're as excited as we are to take your journey with us. I'm currently standing inside one of our secure climate-controlled facilities where we will store your containers. When you arrive, many of our locations have gates with gate codes. We're going to text you that gate code the night before to the number you provided when you placed your order, so please make sure you have that cell phone with you when you arrive. Don't worry about parking. When you pull up, we have plenty of customer parking available for you. Just look for the signs. Finding your truck is real easy with Red Rover. Just locate the identification number we emailed you the night before on the bumper, and your name will also be on the door. Let's get acquainted with your truck. When you walk up, the door will be unlocked and the keys will be in the ignition. You'll also notice how we keep them clean and sanitized for your protection. There are many safety features inside, including safe distance warning, lane departure warning, as well as a backup camera. If you need a lock, maybe you forgot one, don't worry, we keep a few above the passenger side visor. Before you drive off, make sure you're familiar with the vehicle. Get the mirrors right, make sure the seat's nice and comfortable for you, and buckle up for safety. Just pull your truck up and the gate will automatically open if your location has one. You'll notice in front of the vehicle there's a dolly that we have placed there for your convenience free of charge. To release the dolly, find the red button in the cab under the dash by the floor, push it, and it's ready to use. Now the exciting part, our patent pending ramp, which you can locate the remote control on your key ring. To activate the ramp, press the green on button. Push and hold the left button to bring it from behind the cab and position it where you need it to be for loading. To bring the ramp down, push and hold the down button until it's about past parallel. Then, push and hold the extend button to extend the ramp to where you feel is necessary to load safely. Finally, hold down the down button to get the ramp down to the ground. Please note that the ramp should only be used when the truck is turned off and when your container doors are closed. Opening the doors on your container is easy. Just push the button and pull the handle and the doors will open wide for your convenience and easy loading. For your safety, please open the dolly flap so you have easy loading from your ramp to your container. To secure the doors, there are T-bars located on the sides of each door. There are tie-downs located inside the container so you can secure your belongings and avoid shifting in transit. All right, we're done loading. It's time to shut the container. First, start with the left door and then close the right door and make sure it snaps into place and that the latch is securely on. And don't forget to put a lock on that door. Ready to head home, but we got to get the ramp back up. All you simply do is everything in reverse. Activate the remote control by pressing the green on button and then hold up on the ramp and it will retract automatically when it is past parallel. Now that the ramp is upright, simply hold down the right button until it moves behind the cab in its original position. If your truck doesn't start, don't worry. Check the dolly and see if it's locked into place or if your ramp is actually in its original docking position. When you pull up to the facility, if you had a gate, the truck will open it automatically. You can lock the doors, put the keys in the drop box, and we'll take it from there. As you can see, Red Rover Fetchable moving and storage is easy. But if there is anything else you need, our concierge team is here to help. Thank you so much for choosing Red Rover. We'll see you soon.